Hey, I'm a first year fine arts student at Concordia and we're having the open house today.
Hi, I'm a fine arts student at Concordia University. Today is open house and portfolio day. And I'm outside the EV build. Okay, one more time. Hi, I'm a fine arts student at Concordia University. Today is open house and portfolio day. I'm outside the EV building. Let's go to the 7th floor to take a look. I can't finish.
Hey, my name is AJ West. I'm a first-year film production student here at Concordia University. And today I'm volunteering with some other students for Open House Day. And basically what happens is people come to Concordia and check out our campuses and learn about the university's programs, and of course they have questions and they just get a feeling for what they want to study and whether or not Concordia is right for them. So here we are actually on our way up to the 7th floor of the EV building, which is just one of several Concordia buildings with events going on for open house. And the public can actually bring in their portfolios and get their works reviewed and just get a sense of what the university is like and what they're looking for and what other institutions are looking for as far as the portfolio is concerned. So there's tons of stuff that's been happening today with all departments, and we're really glad to have helped out, just guiding people and just really being there to give a sense of what our university is like and just getting to show off our university and how much of a community we've created here in Montreal.
My name is Andréane Michon, and I'm the president of PSA, Photography Student Association. And we're doing right now a print sale for fundraising of our exhibition, graduation exhibition that is on April. And that's it, so people are welcome to see the prints we have for sale, and it's going to help us a lot. And that's it.
And why is it important that you're doing this on Open House Day?
Because there's a lot of people around and they have the opportunity to see what's going on in the photography department, what we're doing a little bit, so it's a great opportunity to have a print from a photo student.
Well, I'm from Toronto area, so I'm visiting Concordia, and I spoke to an SCAT today, and I spoke to Emily Carr, and they were really informative. Do you want me to show some
Yeah,
of my
please,
pieces?
show us.
So there's one of them, and this connects to this one, or it goes, I forget, oh, it goes like that. So they would go side by side. And I think we're going to continue with this theme, this kind of waxy theme that I'm going for, but I'm still not done my portfolio, so I'll be working it.
I have a question for you.
Okay. So what you do, right now we're in the EV building, so we're right here in EV. So you want to go to the LB building, which...
It's an open house.
Okay, tell me about volunteering for open house.
Yeah, it's a good experience, and we are here to answer questions for future students, and we are enjoying.
What are you in? Obviously you go to Concordia. What are you in?
Aerospace engineering. Even project.
No, that's fine. How do you like volunteering for the open house at Concordia?
Awesome.
I still want.
Okay.
We're one big happy family here.
I like it. I like talk to people, so that's why I'm here.
And
I feel great.
And what program are you in?
Program? Oh, I'm in electrical engineering.
No, it was fun. Well, it is fun. We met lots of new people and they're awesome.
So we are representing art history. It's a great department and we hope that a lot of students are interested in coming to study at Concordia.
Why is the baby on the table?
When I was in my first year of art history, I wanted to study 19th century undergarments in painting. So to do that, I wrote a paper about it, but I also learned about all the undergarments by making them myself. So I sewed all 7 layers, including the socks.
But
there's like a corset, there's a bustle, there's an overskirt, there's an underskirt, there's the bloomers. maybe there's 2 overskirts. There's the bloomers, there's the socks, and there's underwear underneath that.
How is your open house experience?
Well, it's great. You're talking to people and they're asking you information about, I don't know what, like my program and all that kind of stuff, and like where's the bathroom also. And
I don't know, how many people do you think you talked to today so far?
Wow, I don't know. Between 70 and 100, maybe? Something like that.
100?
100 people? What types of questions were they asking?
Where's the McConnell building?
Well, I was standing in the James B corner, so they were asking questions about what James B is like.
Okay, did you learn anything today? Do you know what I learned today? That the new JMSB is going to be built by September 2009. Did you know that?
it's this year, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
What did you learn? Did you learn anything today?
No, I just learned that I need to get like more, like to get to know like the directions and like where different departments are and stuff like that, and different programs and stuff like that.